Hello everyone, this is just a quick video about some vent lines that I purchased from a chap by the name of Hal in Oklahoma, USA. Here's just a piece of paper showing all of the vent lines he can build up for you for your M38A1. I'll post his contact details, etc. Up on the screen. I thoroughly recommend him. Really nice guy, really helpful, reasonable pricing even though it's shipping from the US. The vent lines that I had made up for me is the Distributor, that one there, sorry, this one here, if I get it in focus, up to the air intake, and if I come round you'll hopefully see it connected. So that's this one here, this one here. Angles are really difficult, so you can see that the pipe goes, or the vent line goes from the air intake here down the copper pipe and straight into the distributor. And then another one with a 90-degree elbow, and it goes around the back of the engine block to the other side where I've clipped in there, and then it connects in to the vent pipes that ultimately lead off to the windscreen wiper system and to the fuel stroke oil pump. There. The copper pipes one comes pretty much straight and the other one comes coiled up. Really soft and malleable to open them up and then feed them round and then install them in. It was always missing these vent lines from my M38A1, and what it does is it just ensures the distributor is kept cool while the engine's running, because it feeds air through the system, keeping it nice and cool. So that's just a quick video. I didn't shoot the installation because it was so fiddly, and I shoot all of my videos on a camera, sorry, on a iPhone, so it would have been really difficult for me to get in to the angles needed to show you what was done, but it is genuinely quite straightforward. All you need is a couple of spanners and small hands, not even that really. I hope you found this beneficial. See you later. As always, if you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you later.